Step 1, you want to come to the Google search bar and paste in this string right here, and you want to go through the search results. And if we select this one and open it in the new tab, as you can see right here, this question says, how can you best describe someone as beautiful? And you can see it has only one answer on it, and yet you can see it has almost 19,000 views on it. So in this video, I am going to show you how to do this strategy and get your answers on Quora and get thousands of views on your answer for absolutely free. So stick to the end of this video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come to Google. Like I mentioned, you want to paste in this string right here. I am going to leave a link in the description to this string. So basically you can just copy and paste this string on your Google search bar. Alright, so basically what you are going to change is this beauty right here. You are going to change it to whatever niche you're in. So basically if you are into the weight loss niche, you want to type in weight loss right here. If you are into gaming, if you are into whatever niche you are, basically you want to type it in right here. So I am going to be using beauty to demonstrate how to do this strategy. All right, so basically once you type that, you are going to basically answer questions on Quora that has only one answer. All right, so basically that's what you are going to be doing. You are going to be looking for those questions and the ones that have the highest amount of views on it, which means that question is getting a lot of views. And basically if the question has one answer, it means you have a very good chance to outrank the first question. Okay, so like I showed you right here, you can see the question right here. Okay, you can see it has only one answer. You can see it has over 18,000 views on it. All right, so and also if you come to IDPLR, you can see there's a product for beauty right here that you can content log in Cpagrip. Okay, so as you can see, if you scroll to the bottom of this product, you can see right here, this is what is included in this product right here. Okay, I'm not going to be going through it, but whoever download this product, this is what they are going to be getting in this product. All right, so if you go to your Cpagrip account, basically you want to just create a new content logger and you want to content log this product. All right, you first of all, you want to download this. If you click on this download right here, IDPLR is going to allow you to download this product for absolutely free. So basically you want to create an account and click on download and you will have it downloaded to your PC right away. So once you have it downloaded, you want to upload it to website like Mega, Google, or any file uploading website of your choice. So once you have it uploaded right there, you want to come back to your Cpagrip and you want to paste in the link right here. Okay, so once you paste in the link right here, there are a lot of templates right here that you can use for this content logger. All right, so basically it's up to you to choose whichever template of your choice. So you want to come to this advanced section right here. You can choose the amount of leads that you want to collect before the logger unlocks. So once you're done with that, basically you just want to click on save and you are done, and you want to grab the link to this content logger. All right, so basically the next thing you want to do is, you want to come to a website like breezy.cloud as well. You want to create a landing page for the content logger you just made. I have a lot of videos on this channel already on how to create landing page on breezy.cloud. So basically it's very simple creating landing page on breezy.cloud. All you need to do is create an account with them and you will be able to create a landing page with them. I have a lot of videos on the channel on how to create landing page on breezy.cloud. It's very simple, very easy to use. So I may leave a link in the description on how to create landing page on breezy.cloud. So once you have your landing page created, the next thing you want to do is you want to come back to this Google page right here and you want to look for as many questions as you can find. All right, you want to make sure that you give a better answer to this question right here. So basically I recommend that you go with a niche that you are familiar about, so you will be able to give a better answer to this person right here. So basically what you can do is try to answer this question right here. Okay, so you can just click on this answer button right here. So if you click on this answer button, so basically you are going to paste in your answer right here. Okay, I am not familiar with this niche, so I am just using it as an example in this video. Is the reason why I recommend that you go with a niche that you have a lot of knowledge about, so you can answer the question better than the other answer on that question. I hope that makes sense. So once you've done that, you can just basically redirect them to the content locker that you made. So basically you want to get creative around here and type in something to recommend this product, and you can also list some of the things that they are going to get from this product. So once you do that, you can just type in click here, and then you can highlight it. So once you highlight that, you can choose this link button right here. So basically you want to paste in the link to your landing page that you made on breezy.cloud. Okay, so I am just going to be using this one as an example. So basically once you paste the landing page link right here, you want to add that. So whenever they click on this, they are going to be redirected to the landing page. And once they complete the content locker, they will get access to download this product for absolutely free. So basically that is how you can do this whole process. You can go through this first page and filter as many questions as you can. As you can see right here, this one also has one answer right here. And also you can see there's a second page right here, so you can click on the next pages and answer more questions as well. So basically this is a very simple free strategy that you can use without having to run any form of advertisement to your content locker. Okay, you want to choose a niche that you have good knowledge about, and also you can basically come to Google and type in the question on Google, and you can get creative and you can try to rewrite the answer. So basically that is a simple strategy that you can get started with right away and start answering questions on Quora and make money with your answers. If you want me to make a step-by-step video on how to do this, leave a like on this video and drop any question you have in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.